Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Uk49 lunchtime and tea time. First of all, in these days I am too much busy at my shop. That is why I am not making video about lunchtime and daily lotto and other lotteries videos because of busy schedule, but I will try my best to give you my prediction. Lunchtime and tea time for 5th February 2023. These my favorite number for the lunchtime and tea time also. This is my WhatsApp number +923069680720. If you want 2 straight number or 3 straight number, you can text me on my WhatsApp number. Remember one thing, that only text, no calls. Only text me for the 2 straight number and 3 straight number. I will charge my fees, but after draw, so it's a safe and secure, no scam. I will charge my fees but after draw. So thank you for watching video and take care.